Hello everybody. Jamie here. It is cocktail time and aroma time with Jamie. Hope everybody is awesome. Sorry that I've missed a couple of days. I apologize about that. Marcus and I took a well-needed couple of days off, and we went snowmobiling with some friends. We went up north, and so that was awesome. So thanks for everybody's support. I had a couple of messages saying, where have you been? And so I've missed everybody. I am back. Hello Joel, hello Brenda. Hi everybody. If you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. I am back. Hello Christine. Thank you everybody for your support. Marcus and I needed a couple of days off, so yes, we did relax. We definitely did relax. We had a good time. We enjoyed ourselves and we enjoyed being away, but we are back now. We are back and ready to rock and roll for the weekend. We're super excited about bringing you our $9.99 special this week. It's a big one, so if you haven't heard about it yet, it is our lobster mac and cheese. So $9.99 lobster mac and cheese to go. All of this, the rest of this weekend until Monday, so till Sunday night. Tomorrow is our burger night. $9.99 burgers to go, $9.99 lobster mac and cheese to go. Place your order early. You can call me anytime tomorrow. It will be a busy night, I'm sure. The weather is looking great, so that's exciting. I gotta tell you, it was nice and warm today. I did a 2.5 mile walk this morning. I would have done a walk again this evening when we got back, but I had a bunch of orders I had to place, and Marcus and I were bringing our stuff in, and then a staff member showed up and we got talking to him for a while. You know, Marcus and I just love what we do, and we love being a support, and we love being a support for all of you and giving you really good, awesome food and giving you groceries through all of this. But we also love that our staff comes to us when they need something, or they're upset, or they just need to talk. So, you know, we're kind of like counselors, but we just love our staff so much. And one of our staff members just came in and, you know, started talking to us. And it was awesome that we were the person that they came to. So thank you. You know, we're just super grateful for all that we have, all that we do, all that we can bring to you, especially during this time. But for the last 18 years, a lot of you have become our family. A lot of you have traveled with us. A lot of you come in all the time to the restaurant, and we just love that. And you know what? Everybody has a bad day, and we were explaining this to our staff member. Everybody has a bad day, and it's okay. But tomorrow is a new day, and you can change that whatever you're thinking in a split second. So, you know, it's awesome to be able to have that opportunity to talk to our staff and that they rely upon us. And, you know, we're really grateful for that. So thank you for watching me. I appreciate it. If you're watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Stay tuned. I believe Marcus and I are going to do a wine time live when I'm finished with this. So chances are I will be back on very shortly. I am actually going to make dinner tonight. I came up with this awesome eggplant parmesan recipe that I want to try. It is 100% vegan, so I'm excited about trying it. So I'm going to make that when I get off my Facebook Live. Then we'll do our wine time live. So I'll bring a bottle of wine to you. I don't know what we're going to choose today, but stay tuned for that. So thank you. So today I am making an Irish punch. You need 3 simple ingredients, and you can kind of make it up. So you're going to use an Irish whiskey. I'm going to use Mackenzie's pure pot still whiskey from the Finger Lakes. I'm going to use blood orange liqueur from St. Elder, and orange juice. So pretty simple. This is an organic orange juice. Pretty simple recipe. I am going to put ice in my glass. You know, I am starting to run out of some ideas. So if anybody has any ideas of drinks that I should make, please drop a comment. Leave me a drink. Tell me what I should be making. I always love suggestions. And, you know, thank you for those of you who have given me suggestions in the last year. So I am coming up on my 1 year anniversary of doing Facebook Lives. I love bringing you a drink of the day. Sorry that I've missed the last couple of days. I apologize. But Marcus and I were taking some well-deserved needed time off, and so that was cool. So sorry we didn't bring you any knowledge this week, but you know us, we'll be bringing you lots of cool stuff again. So we are going to start with 1.5 ounces of whiskey, and this is very similar to an Irish whiskey. So, and we're going to put 1 ounce of blood orange liqueur, St. Elder. Hopefully I will be able to get this open. There we go. Sometimes they stick. So what has everybody been up to? Did anybody get outside today? So about 1 ounce of this. Did anyone get outside today and enjoy this beautiful weather? Because I got to tell you, it was beautiful out. I can't wait. I think tomorrow's going to be even nicer. So that's something to be excited about. And I'm going to add about 1 ounce of orange juice. Ooh. About 1 ounce of orange juice. And I'm going to mix that up. And you have an Irish punch. Let's see here. And just mix that on up. So blood orange liqueur, orange juice, and Irish whiskey. Ooh, that is really good. Yummy. Tastes just like punch. Wow. Really good stuff. Hope everybody's good out there. Hope you're enjoying your beautiful day. I will be back tomorrow with a Facebook Live, probably a little bit earlier than 4 o'clock. Unfortunately, we had a death in our family. So my love goes out to the Guiliano family and to my cousins in Middletown. My Marcus's aunt has passed away. And so we are going to be with our family tomorrow night. And so rest in peace, Aunt Anne. And you know, thank you. I've gotten a lot of messages from people, so thank you very much. And so I will be on earlier tomorrow because we're going to go to the wake. We'll be on earlier. So catch me tomorrow. Maybe I'll be on later. Not sure what will happen tomorrow. But thanks everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. And I will talk to you tomorrow. So, a couple of quick announcements. One, we have a wine dinner on Monday night, March 15th, wine dinner. 4 wines in a dish for $25. Can't beat it. Make your reservations early. We do sell out for those wine dinners. So if you want to come to the wine dinner, let's see. What other announcements? $9.99 specials this week are lobster mac and cheese. And tomorrow, Thursday, is our burgers to go. So $9.99 specials to go. And I think that's it. Stay tuned for more Facebook Lives from Marcus and I. And we'll catch everybody soon. Cheers to everybody. Have a nice night.